Everyone, welcome back. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the competition in the online business world, you're not alone. With so many people launching businesses every day, the market is more saturated. But don't worry, today I will share my top strategies to help you stand out in a crowded marketplace and grab your audience attention. So let's dive in. First, allow me to begin with a really short story. When I initially launched my online business, I felt overwhelmed by the number of competitors despite offering great products and services. I went unnoticed. When I honed in on a specific strategy, things began to change. And now I'm eager to share some of these strategies with you. First things first, niche down. The more specific you are about who you serve and what you offer, the easier it is to stand out. You don't want to be a generalist in a crowded market. You want to be the go-to expert for a specific audience. Do your research, understand your audience's pain points, and tailor your offerings to solve their problem better than anyone else. Next up, develop a strong and unique brand identity. Your brand is more than just a logo, your voice, your visuals, your values. Make sure every content you create, from social media posts to website design, reflects your unique personality. This helps create a memorable experience that sets you apart. Content is king, but quality is the key. Create content that educates, entertains, and inspires your audience. Share your expertise through blog posts, video podcasts, or infographics. Be consistent. Make sure your content adds value to your audience. The more value you provide, the more you'll see as an authority in your niche. And don't underestimate the power of social proof. Promptly display testimonials, case studies, and customer reviews on your website and your social media. When potential customers see others raving about your products or service, they're more likely to choose you over your competition. Lastly, keep innovating and stay ahead of the industry trends. This means constantly updating your knowledge, experimenting with new tools, adapting to market changes. Don't be afraid to try new things, whether it's a fresh marketing strategy, a new product, or even a unique customer service approach. Being a trendsetter can make you stand out like nothing else. So there you have it, my top strategies to help you stand out in a saturated online business market. Remember, it's all about being unique, providing value, and deeply connecting with your audience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an update. And besides, leave a comment below and let me know what strategies you will focus on first. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Scott. Peace out.